The Secretary of War released a statement that the U.S. military is going to start testing all men over 30 for low testosterone. This is phenomenal news, and I'm very happy to hear the U.S. military is now addressing the testosterone crisis in America.
At the Department of War, we have the most elite warriors on the face of the earth. Every single day, you are pushed to your absolute physical and mental limits to master the profession of arms. We demand your all, and you give it. But while we invest heavily in our weapon systems, platforms, and gear, our most decisive tactical advantage will always be the individual warfighter. We have a sacred duty to maintain that advantage, which is why we must constantly look for new ways to optimize your performance, your resilience, and your long-term health. And to meet that commitment today, I'm authorizing a new screening program for testosterone deficiency for our service members, ensuring you have the right testosterone levels to operate at your absolute best. Because it's well-established science that as we age, testosterone levels often naturally drop. Under the supervision of our world-class medical professionals, warfighters age 30 and older are going to be tested annually as part of their periodic health assessment. It's a health assessment that happens every year. We're just adding this test. Those under 30 can voluntarily choose to get the test as well. If treatment is recommended, it's entirely your choice to receive testosterone replacement therapy. This initiative, it's not about artificial enhancement. It's about restoring and optimizing your natural capabilities, protecting your longevity, and ensuring you have the biological foundation required to sustain the fight. We owe our warriors the absolute best medical care in the world, and this program delivers on that obligation. Taking care of your long-term health means ensuring you remain strong, resilient, and capable, not just for your next deployment, but for the rest of your life, so you can thrive long after you take off the uniform. As we know, the modern battlefield is brutal and unrelenting. It requires and demands maximum psychological and mental readiness. And by addressing these health markers early, we're keeping you on the leading edge of lethality and giving you the same level of support that you give this nation, the absolute best. Godspeed, keep going, and God bless.
The Secretary of War mentioned that as men age, our T levels naturally decrease. Unfortunately, this is normal in America, but it's not natural. In America, we have a testosterone crisis. They do not have a testosterone crisis in the Eastern Bloc, Africa, or Jamaica today. American men are suffering from the lowest testosterone levels ever recorded in history. Just 75 years ago, this was not an issue for American men. The average American man had optimal levels of testosterone. Today, the average 20-year-old American male has the same level of testosterone as his grandfather. Low T is a terrible health crisis for all men. This deficiency terribly affects men's mental, emotional, and physical health and is causing an 88% increase in mortality. It's greatly increasing the risk of heart disease, cardiovascular disease, and diabetes. It's causing depression, anxiety, low sex drive, and a low sperm count, and it's causing a loss of lean muscle mass and bone density, and it's destroying men's confidence. I love Pete Hegseth's statement that we owe our American warriors the absolute best care in the world. I could not agree more, but let me say this. The absolute best solution to address this testosterone crisis in America does not come from a pharmaceutical lab. The best solution in the world comes from nature, from God's pharmacy. Mankind will never out-formulate what God has already given us. I commend the Secretary of War for bringing more awareness to the testosterone crisis in America, for making the health of American warriors a top priority, and I also commend him for making his own health and fitness a priority. Check out this clip.
Go, got this! 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way down, all the way up, 13, all the way down, 14, all the way up, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, all the way down, all the way up, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, go ahead, run it. 1, 2, 3, 44, one more. push! Somebody get in here! 44. 40. Couldn't get that last one.
At 46 years of age, bench pressing 135 pounds 44 times is excellent. Most American men can't do that. Let's discuss why American men are suffering from testosterone crisis. Low testosterone is caused by three primary reasons: low cellular energy, cellular toxicity, and malnutrition at a cellular level. Why should you listen to anything I have to say? I've been a holistic health and fitness coach and trainer for 35 years, worked with clients from all walks of life. One of my favorite clients is my friend, 9 times world champion, Roy Jones Jr. Working with Roy has been a privilege because I'm a huge boxing fan, and Roy's my favorite boxer of all time. What I want you to know is this: none of my clients and I are suffering from low testosterone, and we are not using any synthetic drugs. What I have all my clients doing is this: we only drink clean living water. We only eat organic whole foods. We regularly detoxify our bodies, and we train hard consistently. And we are all using the same life-changing formulas from the company Nutronics Labs. Remember that name. Nutronics Labs formulated the most powerful all-natural supplements I've ever experienced in my life that solve the testosterone crisis in both men and women and help us maintain optimal levels for life naturally. There are 0 side effects, unlike man-made synthetic drugs and peptides. And they've been proven to work time and time again for over 25 years. In fact, the company has sold well over 10 million bottles. Nutronics Labs is a privately owned American company. The founder and owner is a decorated combat veteran and a friend of mine. All their formulas have been rigorously third-party tested for purity, potency, and bioavailability. There's absolutely no synthetics, heavy metals, or any man-made chemicals in their formulas. And as I said, all my clients are using Nutronics Labs, and we're all experiencing phenomenal results. One of the things that makes Nutronics Labs unique is they have a patented delivery system that delivers over 98% of all the natural ingredients directly into your bloodstream, called the liposome delivery system. I've never seen anything more bioavailable. You simply put this extract under your tongue and hold it for 30 seconds. My friend Roy Jones Jr. and I fell in love with Nutronics Labs so much that we made the decision to join the Nutronics Labs team to help them with their mission to make men men again in America, which has been the mission of Nutronics Labs for decades. This is my first time I've ever endorsed a brand publicly, and I've had many opportunities to do this. With the testosterone crisis that's going on in America right now, with Nutronics Labs having the absolute best natural solutions I've ever seen, I just had to join the team. I've been witnessing the men in America suffer for decades from low T, and I want to help permanently eliminate this terrible issue for men in America. Now, in addition to low testosterone in men and women, in America there is also a huge human growth hormone production deficiency, which has caused a deficiency in IGF-1 and IGF-2 and many other very essential natural hormones called growth factors. Nutronics Labs has formulated the best natural solution to solve this serious health crisis too. Nutronics Labs has formulated the most powerful all-natural IGF-1 supplements in the world to address both the testosterone crisis in men and women and eliminate the IGF-1 and IGF-2 deficiencies. There's a total of 18 naturally occurring essential growth factors in their formulas. There's a total of 400 bioavailable living essential phytochemicals that we are not getting even close to enough of from our food today. I highly recommend Nutronics Labs to everyone. Go to nutronicslabs.com today and use the promo code 10% off when you order the Man's Edge, and you'll get a free bottle of their 300,000 nanograms of IGF-1 Plus with Long Jack worth over $200. When you go on auto ship, you'll get another 50% off. That's a total of 60% off your first order and 50% off for life using this code on every reoccurring order. Now, ladies, you were not left out. They have an incredible female formula that my wife loves. And when you buy this product, you will also get a free bottle of the 300,000 nanograms of IGF-1 Plus with Long Jack. Both are an amazing stack for both men and women. And if you want to know what I'm using personally, what I have Roy Jones Jr. doing, all my fighters and all my top clients, here's what it is. All of us men are using Nutronics Labs Man's Edge, which will boost your testosterone and help increase your natural nitric oxide levels, will make you a stud in the bedroom in a matter of weeks or months, depending on where you're starting from, It'll make you an absolute gladiator in the gym over time. It is incredible. And when you pair that with their latest IGF-1 formula called Maximus, this bottle has 1,000,000 nanograms of IGF-1 naturally occurring in the formula from the deer antler extract. Now, when Nutronics Labs started 25 years ago, their most potent formula was 2,500. This is 1,000,000 nanograms. This is a global breakthrough. There's nothing like this in the world. And when you stack this with the man's edge, this is absolutely incredibly powerful, gentlemen. And what I also do is I add the 300,000 with long jack because I want that extra long jack to take it over the top. So those three are absolutely incredible. That's what I recommend to all my men. That's what Roy's doing. And for you ladies, I recommend the woman's formula. They have two versions of it, the original and the newest one, which has 4 times the IGF-1. I would recommend that one to all of you. In addition to this, get yourself a bottle of Maximus, the IGF-1 plus formula with 1,000,000 nanograms. This has been proven to be powerful for anti-aging, increasing cognitive function, decreasing inflammation, and anti-aging. It is truly remarkable what these formulas have done for me in the last year, what I'm seeing them do to all my clients. If you have any questions, again, go to nutronicslabs.com, put in the code 10% off, 10% sign OFF. You get 10% off your first order, another 50% off when you go on auto ship. And the best part is this. With Nutronics Labs, they know that trust must be earned. So they're going to give you 30 days to try any formulas you want. You get all your money back if it don't work for you. So you got nothing to lose. If you're even thinking about it, you need to try it because you will not regret it. If you have any questions for me personally, my name is Ron Oliver. I'm the CEO and founder of EliteDynamicLife.com. You can go to my website, EliteDynamicLife.com, and fill out the contact form. And I look forward to reaching out to you. I'm always happy to talk to anyone who's like-minded and dedicated to their health and fitness.